Welcome to Lively Life. I'm Carolyn de Groot. I'm a holistic nutritionist and a chemical engineer. Yeah, that's an unexpected combo. What I like to do is I like to mix the science with recipe creation. And I have two categories that I like to share. Healthy eats, which is full of nutrients for meals, sides, and snacks, and healthy treats, a guilt-free indulgence. Whether you're looking for meal prep ideas, quick snacks, or wholesome desserts, I've got you covered. My goal is to help you live vibrantly, one bite at a time. If you're ready to feel amazing inside and out, hit that subscribe button and put on the bell so that you get notified whenever I update a new recipe. And let's get cooking.